guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. If you are new here, please make sure that you like, comment, and also subscribe to this channel. I bring you celebrity gossip, I bring you entertainment gossip, so please make sure that you subscribe to keep yourself informed. So guys, as we all know, Wandi Ndlovu was arrested. She went to court. The bail was denied, postponed to the 5th of August. Name. And then on the 5th of August, she went to court. She got bail. She was so happy to be out, guys. When I tell you what, she was so happy. Like, she even, I don't know, even the outfit, I don't know, but it looks planned ukuthi nje mangiphuma ngiyothi jacket yami white ngithi boots lami white ngithi tight yami, it's like the outfit was even planned. But yeah, there's nothing wrong with it, right? Maybe she was looking forward to be out village and just go back to living her life. So Kesana Okel, she was out on bail. She went back to Katlehong. For those who don't know, guys, she was arrested for allegedly murdering the uncle, you know. So I think maybe they're still doing investigations and stuff, because Bona, it's her, the mom and the little sister, they are claiming that it was self-defense. But then there are also people who are defending them. No, they didn't do it. They didn't do it. Wandi would never do that. Why would they say it's self-defense if they didn't do it? Like, self-defense, okay. You never be self-defense if you didn't do it. Because you were just going to say, no, I didn't do it, and just move on with your life. So Ukel is out now. She is in Katlehong. The community is fuming. The community is mad. They don't want her anymore. The community is outside her house. They are just so mad. We don't want this girl in this township anymore. She must just go back to Nigeria. And guys, as we all know, if you're out on bail, you can't go out of the country. You cannot, because now you have a case pending. So the community is just there fuming. Would say, hey, this girl must go. This girl doesn't show any remorse for what she did. We don't want to live with a murderer in this township. Please, can this girl go? And they were taking videos of her, and you can see, okay, she doesn't show any remorse, or maybe to show that she's scared or something. Okay, maybe she's scared, but she's acting strong. But the way she was just walking, like looking at them, like, hey, these people, ngathi bathathela phansi, uyasho ukuthi laba bangazi ukuthi ungubani. Even when they were taking videos of her, she was just looking at them like this from the gate, looking at them straight. Ukuthi, you guys want videos, so I will give you videos that you want. This is my face. So Kasana, it's still pending. The case is still under investigation, but the community is fuming. They are saying they don't want Wandi. She doesn't show any remorse. She is a murderer. They don't want someone like her in that community. Haisana Kuning, at some point I just feel for her. But innocent until proven guilty, right? We don't know, guys. I will keep on updating you on this case. Please make sure that you like, comment, and also subscribe. I will see you on my next one. Bye.